So overall, really good. The only thing that
was it the one that I'm thinking of?
When you were in the intersection?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think.
We'll talk about it after. No, you waited.
Yep.
This would be an automatic fail, right? Because the light turned yellow, and now you've already taken control of the intersection. As soon as that light turns yellow, just check quickly to make sure the traffic's slowing down before you clear the intersection.
Yeah.
Definitely, that would have been.
I knew what I did wrong. There was going too fast.
You were already figuring that out as it was happening.
Yep.
Yeah, you were entering that left turning lane a little bit too fast, and you cut in too late too.
Yeah.
You got to go over a little bit of the yellow line.
Yeah.
Both times for your left turns, you waited too long to get in there. You're waiting too long and touching the solid white line. So don't be afraid of going over the last little, like the last 3 yellow broken lines, basically.
Yeah. I
Sorry, my voice is just messed up. So, but now you know, right? So let's see, driving along, follows, passes too close, it's good. You got your automatic right lane change down, no problem. Your speed is good. A little bit too fast at times. I noticed that you were going like 55, 56 and not bringing it down. Make sure you bring it down within 5 seconds. But it wasn't like an automatic fail or anything there. So that section's good. Your intersections. So late in slowing. That's what the issue was here. And a right-of-way observance to yourself. There's a little, see, right-of-way observance for like the pedestrians have the rights of way, other vehicles have the rights of way. So do you when it's your turn at the light there, when the light turned yellow. Just make sure everything's slowing down before you proceed, but don't stay there. Your turns are great. No problem there. All the minor intersections, stop signs and everything, you got that down to a science. So you did get the incorrect vehicle position over here. It kind of spooked me a little bit when you're... The only reason you had trouble here is because you didn't swing it out far enough to the left. Careful here. If the examiner feels that they have to use their brake and they use it, or if they have one. So you see how the front left corner of your bumper here is a little close to that car?
Yep.
There's not enough space. You might be able to get in there, but it doesn't look very safe, right? So at this point here, just stop and reposition your vehicle. You are allowed to do that before coming in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got to really swing it out far to the left before you pull into your space.